Introducing NewAge Products Bold Series Starter Set, the ultimate solution for organizing and optimizing your garage space in a snap. Imagine transforming your cluttered garage into a sleek, efficient workspace, all inside one box. The starter set brings you a comprehensive storage solution that includes everything you need to keep your tools and equipment in order. Our all-in-one set features a sturdy locker, a spacious worktop, available in bamboo and stainless steel, and a versatile wall cabinet. Each component is designed with functionality and durability in mind, featuring lockable doors, full-length aluminum handles, and adjustable shelves, providing secure and customizable storage space. The workbench offers ample workspace with its 60-inch bamboo top, complete with back cable management and full extension drawers. The wall cabinet, with its lockable doors and gas spring hinges, ensures your smaller items are safely stored yet easily accessible. Built from 24-gauge steel, featuring spring-loaded hinges and magnetic door latches, this set offers ample support for heavy equipment and supplies. Designed to withstand the demands of any garage environment, assembly is straightforward, with pre-assembled components and clear instructions guiding you through each step. Plus, the modular design means you can expand and customize your setup as your needs grow. Elevate your workspace and enhance your productivity with this all-encompassing storage solution. Transform your garage today with the Bold Series Starter Set.